God damn. So we got the rope tied to the butt end of this tree, which I've already cut off. The tree is completely hung up over top of this oak. We've got a 3-to-1 pulley system set up to the base of that tree, and we're going to use it to pull the tree sideways and hopefully roll it out of the tree. Got my rope. Got some distance between myself and this tree, and just going to start pulling. And hopefully, oh no, yeah, there we go. Didn't need the 3-to-1. Came right down. Not too bad. Woo! So, pines on the ground. Just a little bit of cutting, and it's out of the oak tree. Those shitty little spruce trees are dead, but I'm gonna deal with them later. And that's it.